Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Take one easy breath. And notice how good it feels when you simply allow the air to come in and go out all by itself. That's right. You don't have to do anything at all, except perhaps notice that your eyes can close or stay open, whichever feels more natural right now. Because your unconscious mind is already listening, and it knows how to take you deeper whenever it is ready. And as you continue to breathe, you may begin to feel a pleasant heaviness, starting in your feet, moving up through your legs, into your hips, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, and even your neck and face, softening, relaxing, as if every muscle is simply remembering how to let go, completely, safely, easily. Deeper and deeper now, with every breath, every word. Your unconscious mind is very wise. It has protected you all these years, and now it is ready to do something even wiser. Imagine, or simply allow yourself to sense, a gentle, warm stream of clear mountain water flowing somewhere inside you. This water is not ordinary water. It carries the quiet intelligence of your own unconscious mind, and it knows exactly which old experiences need to be washed away and which parts of you must remain untouched, pure, untouched by anything that ever happened. This stream begins to move, slowly at first, through every memory from childhood, every moment that once felt heavy, frightening, confusing, lonely, or simply too much. You don't have to relive any of it. You can simply watch, from a comfortable distance, while the water gently lifts those old feelings, those old pictures, those old beliefs, and carries them downstream, dissolving them. And your unconscious mind can do this perfectly, taking only what is ready to go, leaving behind every lesson that still serves you, while everything else simply flows away, naturally, easily, safely. The stream continues, moving forward through the years, through every experience that ever left a mark, through adolescence, through adulthood, all the way to this very moment. Any old tension in your body, any old story that once said, "This is who I am," any hidden weight you have carried, the water finds it, lifts it, and carries it away. You may feel a lightness beginning to spread, or a quiet warmth, or perhaps nothing at all, and that is perfectly fine. Because your unconscious mind is doing the work, below the level of your everyday thoughts, the way a tree quietly sheds its old leaves in autumn, without ever losing its true strength, its true shape, its true nature. And now, deeper still, allow yourself to sense something that has always been there, waiting beneath all those old layers. A quiet, steady presence. A core of you that was never touched by any event, never changed by any story, never defined by what happened to the child you once were. This is your true identity. It is not a feeling. It is not a thought. It is the part of you that has always been whole, calm, wise, and completely free. You may feel it as a gentle light in the center of your chest, or as a vast open sky behind your eyes, or simply as a deep knowing that says, "Yes, this is who I really am." And as you rest in that knowing, your unconscious mind can now lock this realization in place, so that every day, in every situation, you begin to remember, more and more, that you are not your history. You are the one who lived through the history, and you are so much more. All the old trauma, all the old patterns, all the old ways you once protected yourself, they can now rest. They have done their job, and they are free to dissolve, like footprints in wet sand when the tide comes in. Gently, completely, naturally. You may notice, over the coming days and weeks, small, surprising moments when you feel lighter, freer, more yourself, as if something heavy you had forgotten you were carrying has simply disappeared. And that is exactly what is happening. Your unconscious mind will continue this healing process, safely, gently, every night while you sleep, every quiet moment during the day, exactly at the right pace for you, never faster than you can comfortably integrate. When you are ready to return, you can take 3 easy breaths, and with each breath, feel yourself coming back, refreshed, clear, lighter, carrying only the gifts, and leaving behind everything that no longer belongs to you. 1. Feeling energy gently returning to your body. 2. Aware of the room around you, safe and comfortable. 3. Eyes open, or remaining closed a moment longer, whatever feels right, knowing that you are now more fully yourself than ever before. Welcome back.